Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with ABS brakes. This is the latest edition of the lightweight Ninja, far superior to what's been before. Lighter, quicker, faster, more fuel economy. This bike is fantastic. Twin cylinder, 400cc. It's about 45 horsepower. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. Beautiful shark skin gray with black and yellow highlights. This bike was just traded in with only 185 miles on it. Price to sell at just $54.99. Save hundreds over the price of new. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.